I'm traveling through the light. What a thrill! That I'm a minion for my master.